Independence Day speech. Good morning, one and all. Respected Principal Sir and my colleagues. A very good morning to my dear students. Independence Day is a national festival of our country, and this year we are celebrating 77th Independence Day of our country. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rules. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors, we are living peaceful life. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. We should feel proud to be an Indian. So, on this occasion, let us all pledge to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching.